here officially. And this is our plane. Diba? With my friend. Yeah, we're here. Tacloban. Come 2 hours. Don't say hi. Kasamba nila. Binalik kami sa Maynila. Oh, but there's the problem with the engine. So we're transferring to a different aircraft. Mark, tingnan, Mark! There. We are transferring to another aircraft with my friend there in there. Ay, bababa! Bababa na kayo yung mga airplane. Tama na kayo. Bye! See you later! Alright? One more try. May balat ka na eh. Sino ba yung bagong sama dito? May balat ka sa wet, no? Yung bara niyo, di na tuloy. So, let's give it another shot. We're transferring to another aircraft. So, I would say, magaling ang aming pilot. Kasi, moving na yung plane namin, but they realized that the engine is not working.